So check this out. I'm in Battle Creek, Michigan. And this is the old Leatherman oil factory company. I don't know who it was that started this business. I think it was like my grandpa or my great-grandpa. That's where my father used to work as a kid. And then I'm gonna just keep on taking a video because this is Battle Creek and there's no law in freaking Battle Creek. So there's cars coming. And there's a house back here that my father's cousin died in, and it's still standing. And a couple years ago, I want to say like 5 years ago, he died of complications because he had all kinds of health issues. And I walked through this house. I had to take it real slow because I'm in a low rider. So this is the parking lot. This is the building. That's the house. I went through there a couple years back. You know what? I'm fixing to go in there. But I just want this to be a short video, so. It's crazy. You take this just because no one else really keeps up with any of this sort of thing. Drive around a little bit and get the whole thing. I wonder if that house is connected to the company. It looks like it is. I saw a dead pit bull one day. So I'll just do like a roundabout. Battle Creek is so ghetto. That's the door I went in right there. Oh, you know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, it was this house. I don't think it was, I don't know. I want to say it was that house. Look at that shit. It's crazy. What does it say? This is exactly where I saw the dead pit bull. I think it was that house that he died in. Yeah. Because that's actually attached. There's a weird car coming. Look at this car. This truck is so creepy. It's like I'm gonna get shot or something. I was doing like a drug deal. So pretty much that's it.